Hello, hello, lovely people. Mega, mega love shout out. Welcome back again to our vlog. And for today's video nga ay pumunta tayo ng Katanawan, Quezon Province for the Taekwondo Aquatic Training Workshop. Ayan, sila guys, nag-workshop sila dito. Maganda dito guys kasi white ang sand ng beach nila. Ayan, panoorin natin guys kung ano yung mga gagawin nila. Enjoy! Thank you for coming. I love you all. Mama chup chup. Ganda din kay Papa. Hanap-hanap ka ni Sia. Punta mo doon. Papunta mo dito. Sia. Punta mo doon. Shout out to my friends Dave and Cathy, the traveling tramps. Shout out Dave and Cathy. Thank you so much for the love and support to our humble abode. Thank you so much. I love you both. Shout out Limuel. Thank you so much for supporting our humble abode. Thank you. Love you. Shout out my brother Waihu. Thank you brother for supporting our channel. Love you. Shout out Umiko family. Thank you. Love you Umiko family. Shout out CC Gems Fly TV. Thank you for supporting our channel. Love you. Shout out CC My Kitchen Diaries. Thank you CC for the love and support to our channel. Love you. Shout out Mommy Shikera Cartagena Vlog. Thank you Mommy. Love you. Shout out Board Blogger. Thank you Board. Love you. Shout out Mama Disa, All Seasons Vlogs. Thank you Mama Disa. Love you. Shout out CC Lori Tornea Vlog. Thank you CC. Love you. Shout out Gings Men Sale. Thank you Gings for supporting our channel. Love you. Thank you Mr. Su for the love and support to our channel. Love you sir. Thank you Auntie Marga for the love and support to our channel. Thank you Auntie. Thank you Sisi Chona Me for the love and support to our channel. Love you Sisi. Shout out Sisi Lilian Nervar channel. Thank you Sisi Lilian for always supporting our channel. Love you. Thank you Sisi Imelda Impas. Thank you Sisi for the love and support. Love you Sisi. Andun. Nandito sila. Sia yun sila oh. Sia.
Ayun! Ayun oh! Ganda dun.
Saan kayo?
Kuya din.
Ano? Andun sila kuya. Oh.
Anong oras ba pwede mag-swimming?
Hindi ko alam. Swimming ka agad eh.
Hindi, titignan ko lang swimming pool.
Mamaya.
Lalo tayo. Ang ganda ng swimming pool. May pang-bata. Kaya makailang sugat na naman ako dito. Pare,
Sige.
kaya magpapicture.
Alas 4. Doon po ay QBK, doon naman po iwan. Ulitan daw po, ulitan. Dito tingin.
Harness, hindi mo na kailangan bumili. Ay, teka, bibili muna ako sa Ace Hardware ng harness. Lucena pa. Okay, ay ito hindi na. Oh, now.
Ay, Ken! Ulo! Ulo! Uy! Ina! Uy, ano ito? Ano? Pushe! Ayoko, busog na ako. Eto mutok na lumutok. Kaya naman sa mga kasama.
Kaya pala yung nakasot kayo. Wala.
Ano dyan? Pahing ano? Watermelon.
Watermelon nun. Hataw ha, hataw. Ito, pasa na ang bangaw. Hindi, yung umanong kayo. Kung kaya kayo, tanda yung ano, wala.
Pinakain ko lang. Yung mga kailangan.
Kuya! Hanapin ko lang. Wala. Di ko makita si Jemsy. Kita mo? Eto, nakasalbabida. Ang hirap hanapin. Palitan mo nga, Ate Nancy, yung makulay.